Hi friend, it's your Chef Shaikh here again. Today we're gonna do barbecue, and we're gonna make a full lamb leg, and we're gonna marinate, and we're gonna make that leg in oven. It's made by myself, this oven, and it's trying first time. I don't know how it's gonna be result, but I think it's gonna be a nice. So shall we start? So friend, this is the leg we're gonna do today, barbecue. So before that, before marinate, we have to take this all fat out and make crosses on there. Okay, so we start taking fat out first, yeah. Okay, we've taken all unnecessary fat, so now we're gonna make some cuts on there. Yeah, so I'm gonna do this on the cross because when we're gonna hang this, so flavors go inside there. Make some hole for the garlic. Make some hole for garlic. Should be enough, deep enough. Yeah, will go nice. It will be nice marinade. Okay friend, now we're gonna marinate this leg. So I got some my ingredients, so I will tell you before I mix it all together. Okay, well, ingredient I'm using it, I'm telling you, this peri mix spice, coriander powder, mixed herbs, is a steak masala, paprika powder, salt, black pepper, cumin powder, yogurt, garlic, ginger, and lemon juice. I'm gonna use oil in there. Okay, fine. So I'm gonna put this all garlic in there and ginger, cumin powder, 2 spoons, black pepper, 1 spoon, and salt, 1.5 spoon. Paprika powder, 1 spoon. Steak masala, 2 spoon. Mix herb, 1 spoon. 1 spoon coriander powder, and is a 2.5 spoon peri mix masala I put already, and 3 spoon is lemon juice. and then I'm gonna mix olive oil. Okay, now I'm gonna mix it with my hand. And when you marinate, you have to put for overnight, but I'm just doing for 6 hours. So but if you make it overnight, it will be nice tender. So now I'm gonna put all this nicely inside all this. Let's go inside. Okay, yeah, this is nicely everywhere. And now I'm gonna put garlic in there. 2 piece garlic inside. And see, I told you that before early, that you have to make some holes. Okay, our marinade is ready. It's be about 6 hours. So I just put a hook on there. So I got these 2 hooks, which I'm gonna put this in there. This, we have got the barbecue party. So okay. This is the leg we're gonna grill. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, I hang this on there and just put the lid back. That's it. So I'm gonna leave this for 1 hour. So we'll be ready. Alright friends, we got to check it that is our leg is ready or not. Well, it's nice. Let me see it. Alright friend, this our leg is ready. You can see it's very tender. It's just coming up from bones. Tell me what you think. Yeah. So, friend, tell me in the comment section that what you think about it, and if you think it's nice, so you should try it yourself as well. So friend, I hope you like this recipe, and you will get this different recipe every week. If you haven't subscribed my channel, please subscribe. And if you have any question, just type the question in comment, so I will be happy to give you answer. Thank you. I hope you like this video. Here is this ingredient for this recipe. Thank you.